Hello friends, this is Joy from WMTCNC. You can see here is our CNC mini machine XH7126. This machine is ready for delivery. You can see this machine comes with GSK controller. And also you can choose Siemens Financial. And also you can see here the machine with a spindle, 8,000 RPM, 8,000 RPM speed, and BT40 spindle. And the machine comes with 12 auto tool changer, 12 pieces, umbrella type. This machine table size is 800 and 260. So if you would like to know more about our CNC mini machine XH7126, welcome to contact us. Thank you.